How you going, guys? So if you've seen the title to this video, you already know what's about to go down. So I'm just here to say, guys, I've hit roughly 100 subscribers on YouTube. I've been doing this for about 3 weeks to a month, and I just want to say thank you for all that have subscribed and for everyone that is, watching my videos. I'm very appreciative and very grateful for each and every one of you. So I'm ready to pay my dues, and I want to show you guys really quick what I'm about to do to say thank you to you all. Alright guys, so I'm about to attempt the 100 pieces of gum challenge. So I'll show you really quick how I've lined it up so we can get this started. Alright guys, so if you take a look here, I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 pieces. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to attack 2 pieces at a time. And I'm gonna try and not dribble and start choking. I've seen these challenges before in other videos, so let's see how we go. I'm gonna set up the camera so we can get this started. Alright guys, so I've got the 100 pieces lined up here. I've got a bowl I'm just gonna have around just in case I start like dribbling. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's get it started. This is not going to be pretty. I'm going to start going 4 at a time and try and quicken up the process. I don't even think it's possible to get 100 in my mouth. This is ridiculous. Alright. Let's go 6 at a time. Yo. Oh. The sound is disgusting. Look at this. Imagine doing this at 1,000 subscribers. I don't even think that's possible. Alright guys, so
Got about 40 or so to go. This is disgusting. Unbelievable. None of you guys are ever gonna look at me the same again. Might as well give up lifting. Nah, never. I'm so sorry for the dribbling. There's no other way to do this. My jaw is gonna have gains. This is ridiculous. Oh, Myron the sunburn. Hashtag white skin. I need a tan. Six more, and then 2 left. Oh god. 100. That's it. Really? Oh my god. Tongue is burning. Alright guys, so I almost did choke to death once there. It builds up very thick at the back of your throat and almost starts to block your airways. Just feels a little bit hard to keep chewing. Just builds like that thickness at the back. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. 100 pieces of gum. The video is roughly, how long? 100 pieces of gum in like 15 minutes. So again, thank you guys for letting me hit 100 subscribers. I'm very grateful for every single one of you guys out there. Continue watching my videos, please. Continue to share them and comment and get everyone you know to subscribe to the channel. I have plenty more content coming out. Hope I keep you guys entertained, and if you did find this funny, just hit the like button for me and leave a comment. Let me know what you think and how stupid I am for doing this. I need to go get some water, rinse out my mouth because my mouth feels funny and my tongue feels weird. So I'm gonna go wash that out, and yeah, that's it guys. So as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video, and let's get onto 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys really soon.